Welcome to the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel here at Tokyo Disney Resort. We are in a special room. This is an Alice in Wonderland themed room. So they had a genius idea at some point, which was, hey, you know, when we have these park view or park attached rooms, people stay for two reasons: proximity to the park and a view of the park. But we have a lot of rooms that don't have a view of the park. How do we make those more popular? The answer was to heavily theme them and make them interesting, and they certainly did. So this is the Alice in Wonderland one. We begin with there's a vanity out here with this kooky, very cute mirror. Obviously, the shape of the room and a lot of its amenities are the same as the standard rooms, and we've shown you park view rooms and other types. You go watch those tours here on the channel. But there's a lot of custom furnishing and a lot of very interesting details to be seen here. Look at this very cute round little seat. Lamps here, the wallpapers. It's like you've stepped into a Mary Blair painting. It's like the backdrops of the movie are the real life backdrops to your life. This is absolutely incredible. I'm floored at how much better this looks in person than even the pictures do. So here is the vanity in the bathroom. And they've really thoughtful, they painted everything so it feels, even though it's still the bones of the Disneyland Hotel rooms, which were not very old when they did this, it still feels very, very themed. Look at this wallpaper. The Alice leaves. No special, quote-unquote, amenities. The cups, the toothbrushes, the amenity kit, etc. are all the same as the rest of the resort. Towels are the same too. The Tokyo Disneyland Hotel logo embroidered towels. What I love is the shower room has Tweedledee on the glass. The toilet room is Tweedledum. These light switches will control these. Pop this open. Oh, we got toilet art. I don't think there's art in here in the regular rooms. There's a Mary Blair concept art piece for Alice with the caterpillar. Love this wallpaper. It's very cute. And of course, it is a Japanese toilet with a bidet. Close this. We head to the other side. And this, yeah, they didn't touch the actual bathroom or the actual the shower room. So there's a tub. And yes, it is a shower room. So the shower is on this side. There's a tile floor and separates via a doorway. These do lock, both the toilet room and the shower room. Both lock. Hello, everybody. I didn't wear an Alice shirt. I wore a Pooh shirt today. I do love the vaulted ceilings. It adds a lot with the glass pane in between, with the hidden Mickey in the middle. Not really that hidden. Hello. I love how they painted the closet doors. I like that. Oh, the wallpaper in here is different as well. No special slippers. They're the Disneyland Hotel slippers, both the kids, that being the orange, and the adult sizes, that being Mickey in his sort of nifty 90s hat. There's a luggage rack, shoehorn, a brush, some extra bedding, space to hang stuff in here. The light turns on when you pop the doors open. Look at the paint scheme. It's great. It's really great. This is a special mirror on this side. Fits the theme well. I love the carpet. Carpet's fantastic. At the coffee station, of course, we've got some more Mary Blair concept art. We got Alice falling down the rabbit hole. And we also have the White Rabbit. He's late and he's busting through the doorways. I love this room. I have no actual problems with it, but I'm going to ask why the concept art pieces in the coffee and tea station are not related to, you know, the scenes about drinking tea in Alice in Wonderland. Sorry, that knocking was our bags arriving. Our too many bags. Thankfully, I filmed this section already. We'll move on. Not specialty wares, but, I mean, they might as well be. Here are the tea and coffee supplies. We should have a fridge down here. We sure do. Of course, there is water in there, 4 bottles for us to enjoy. It's They still keep that tradition alive here. And then the bedroom is going to be clinically insane. Clinically insane. I have stayed in every hotel Disney owns other than Alani in this world. I've stayed in most room types at all of those hotels. This is somewhere in the top 5. This is incredible. Incredible. So there's a giant bit of Mary Blair concept art on the back wall of this bed area. I love this little nook. A number of the rooms have this little nook. There's a floral type flower there. Light, floral type light. I'm sorry, it's very late. And then here is the bed. I can tell you I've had family that slept on this. I've slept on this. It's very comfortable. I like it very much. I believe there's some bedding for it down here, if I remember correctly. I do remember correctly. There are drawers under here. You can obviously use these to put other things in, but there are 2 drawers down there. This is just the wallpaper, but I love the fake. The fake molding is amazing. I love that. I love the little window there too. The bed runners have the cards. Look at this at the bottom of the bed. Look at these. I forget what that's called. The thing up here. This is the bed runner. Is that a bed skirt, right? Sorry, it's very late and we've had a long day. But look at the detailing on the bed skirt. The red and black, like it's the back of the cards. Their little, the back part of their little hoods. And then the pattern from the Queen of Hearts dress, the black or the yellow and black off of her dress as well. Or maybe that's just supposed to be her dress. But I think her dress is red on both sides with that in the middle. Either way, phenomenal. The headboards are crazy. Look at this. This is all dimensional. This is not flat. There is dimension here. These custom little Alice dress lights. I mean, this is an expensive hotel. It's a deluxe. And you expect things to feel deluxe. This feels not only deluxe, but insane. Insane. The heart pillow. This is, look at this piece of furniture. It's all custom. They did a rose handle, a pull for the drawer. There's little hearts there. There's a heart on the bottom. There's a sculpted heart up top here. 2 standard outlets and a USB up top. The standard outlets here are going to be 2-prong. So all your 2-prong American stuff will work. If you got something 3-prong, you better bring an adapter for it. The roses, also I just note the roses get painted red. Painting the roses red. They start white there and go to red on the other side. Different wallpaper back there too. And there's the wall comes out here. And so this all sticks out, and you go back to this wallpaper. On this side, you have another fun, kooky mirror. More of that faux molding. Guys, come on. Look at this lamp. There's a Mad Hatter hat lamp. Come on, man. As Rosanna has said this entire trip, it's not fair. It's not, Tokyo Disney is not fair. It's not fair what we get treated to at the other parks around the world. It's not fair. Again, keeping with the Mad Tea Party, these are mismatched tea party chairs. They're wonderful. Look at this. Look at this. I miss custom furniture at Disney hotels. Instead, we just order stuff from catalogs now because it's cheaper and easier to maintain and replace, etc. Big thing for me in these deluxe resorts is the vaulted ceilings. This adds so much. It probably doesn't cost a tremendous amount of money to do this. And I think it makes a world of difference in making the room feel grander. There's even little details up there. There are little hearts on the frame of the light. That is absurd. Absurd. And then this TV unit and dresser. that's White Rabbit themed. There's some carrots down here on that drawer. There's the TV. At the top here we have the White Rabbit's ears, the umbrella, and the pocket watch all present. It's tremendous. And then the maze. This is the maze. Is this one where the bed pulls? Yeah, this is one of the ones that has the bed that pulls out from underneath as well. So I think they tell you this room will sleep I forget how many they say this will sleep. If this is a 5, I think it's a sleeps 5. They consider it. I'm just sort of dumbstruck by how insanely themed. Look at all this color. I'm sure, like, again, those that design Disney hotel rooms now probably look at this and go, oh, it's so gaudy, it's so obscene. But it's a theme park vacation. People want theme. I'm okay with some hotels being a little more bare, a little more a little more, because not everybody wants this. I understand that, but you can still be Disney in quality and theme and be subtle. And then I think for the rest of us, I think there's this. I think this is fun. Like, we're losing the princess rooms and we lost the pirate rooms at Walt Disney World. It's a shame because there is a space for this to exist. There's a bag you get. Each person in the room gets this reusable bag to take home. Let's look at our view. Our view, again, is going to be facing away from Tokyo Disneyland. Let's see what we got. I love the Mickey railing. Now, this is not a patio you can use. There are no balconies for guest use at Disneyland Hotel. Miracosta has a few, and those rooms are absurdly expensive. So this is not going to open all the way. It's going to stop right there just so you can get some fresh air. I'm going to peek my hand out here. I'm going to put you guys out here. Beautiful night view of Tokyo with the train going by. Is that the entrance of the hotel? Yeah, the car entrance, right? Is that what I'm seeing, or is this a? Yeah, so the porte cochere is there, and a walkway this way. And we got a great view of the Mickey fountain. I'm sure you guys saw it. I'm sorry, I'm behind the glass, so I cannot. But there's a Sorcerer Mickey fountain right there. Very, very cool. This is a nice little view. For not being a park view, this is still, we have some Disney elements out here, but also, I mean, one of the coolest cities in the world, Tokyo, is there in the distance, and is that Skytree or the Tokyo Tower? Very, very cool. This is a spectacular room. Highly recommend. If you're an Alice in Wonderland fan, this is a bucket list thing you've got to do. One of my favorite Disney movies of all time. Fun fact, Walt Disney didn't like it. He didn't think it turned out good. But we love it anyway. Love Alice, and it's endured all these years, and even so much so that people want to spend the night in Wonderland. Tremendous, tremendous themed room. Hit that like button and subscribe if you enjoyed the room tour. There's plenty more to watch here on the channel, and we'll see you real soon. I thought we were done with the room tour, and then Rosanna was laying on the bed and said, "Oh, my favorite thing is the Cheshire Cat." And I go, "What do you mean the Cheshire Cat? With the lights on in the bathroom, I could not make this out. The Cheshire Cat is hidden in the window to the bathroom." I can't with this room. We're all mad here.